how do you concatenate these strings, or how do you combine these strings together, right? In this case, we have three strings: hello, world, and exclamation mark. So very simple. Right now I just need to create a variable, right, called sentence, because we're going to combine all of these strings together. So sentence here equal to empty string, and use the function join. So this function will combine all together. Okay, and here we just need to call this, okay, that store a list of strings here, right? And that's pretty much it. So right here you just need to print out the sentence. Okay, now let's just quickly run this. And here you can see we have this string combined right now. So here it says hello world. Say if you want to add a space in between these words, right? So here you just need to add a space in this empty string. Now let's run again. And here the result show hello world. Okay, this is how concatenation works in Python. Or you can also move the exclamation mark from here as well, right? So that it look perfect. Okay, hello world.